Good morning, this is Jean Maureen Pilos and here's my Activity 6, Wi-Fi and REST API for Embedded Systems. ESP32 with DHT11 sensor that measures temperature and humidity. The ESP32 connects to Wi-Fi and sends sensors readings every 15 seconds. And here's the code for VS Code. For Arduino IDE. And for the connection, the VCC is connected to 3 volts. And the signal of the DHT11 is connected to GPIO23 and ground is connected to ground. And the output, and here's the output. As you can see in the MongoDB, when I refresh it, it displays the temperature, which is 28.3, the humidity, 79.8, and the timestamp. Yan. As you can see, and when I refresh it, it sends data every 15 seconds. That's all. Thank you.